In today's video, I'm winged up to teach you how to view insights of your post in Meta Business Suite. If you want to understand how a post is performing, Meta Business Suite makes it easy to check key insights in just a few clicks. This is helpful when you want to see how much reach, engagement, or overall activity a specific post is getting, so you can better understand what content is working. To begin, make sure you're already inside Meta Business Suite and looking at your main dashboard or navigation menu. From there, go to the content section. This area is where Meta organizes your published and scheduled posts, making it the best place to review individual content performance. Once you click into content, you'll be able to see a list of posts associated with your account. Next, navigate to the specific post you want to review. Take a moment here to find the exact piece of content you are interested in. Depending on how many posts you have published, you may need to scroll through the list until you locate it. It helps to look for the post thumbnail, caption, or publishing date so you can quickly identify the right one. Being careful at this stage is important, especially if you manage multiple posts with similar visuals or messaging. Once you've found the post, look for the option labeled View Insights and click on it. This will open the performance details for that individual post. Inside the Insights view, you can review useful metrics that show how people interacted with your content. These insights can help you measure visibility, engagement, and audience response, giving you a clearer picture of how the post performed after it was published. A good tip is to use these insights regularly, not just once. Reviewing post performance over time can help you notice patterns, such as which types of content get better engagement or which posts reach more people. That way, you can make more informed decisions when planning future content. And that's it. To view insights for a post in Meta Business Suite, simply open the content section, find the post you want to analyze, and click View Insights. It's a quick process, but it gives you valuable information that can help improve your content strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.